Commentary blue, commentary, burgundy, commentary, comment blue, commentary, comment burgundy blue, commentary blue, commentary, burgundy, commentary, commentary.
A new legal battle brewing in Dolton between the mayor and some village trustees.
As Regina Waldrop explains, it has a lot to do with two meetings held earlier this week.
Yeah.
Regina.
Two village board meetings, one held at Village Hall, one held at a park district. And now there's a lawsuit, and I talked to the attorneys for both sides.
Competing village board meetings now at the center of a lawsuit. Dolton Mayor Tiffany Henyard, trustees Andrew Holmes and Stan Brown say this Monday night meeting at the park district was illegal. Max Solomon is their attorney.
We believe strongly that that meeting was improperly called and improperly held. The residents of Dolton were confused.
The meeting held at Village Hall that night canceled for a lack of a quorum. When Tiffany Henyard showed up at the park district, she got heckled. Trustee Jason House told NBC5 the meeting was held at the Park District because of Open Meeting Act violations. The village recently cited by the Attorney General's office for failing to make meetings convenient or open to the public. Residents have often complained about limited seating and barricades at those meetings.
The mayor took steps to correct those things that the Attorney General required. And so we believe that for that reason, the meeting was supposed to have been here. And if it wasn't going to be here, there were steps that could have been taken.
The lawsuit is asking for Village Hall to be named the primary place for village business, and that some of the business conducted at those meetings outside of Village Hall since September 3rd be invalidated.
And the people deserve to know where their meetings are going to be held, one meeting, where it's going to be held, and what's on the agenda.
Bert Odelson represents a majority of trustees. He calls the lawsuit frivolous.
This lawsuit, on top of all the other lawsuits, is a waste of the taxpayers' money.
Odelson also says the trustees moved the meeting to the Park District to comply with the Attorney General's office.
They've moved it to the Park District where it's handicap accessible, 300 people can get in, there's parking, there's no problem.
So when I asked Bert Odelson where the next Dolton Board of Trustees meeting will be held, he told me the Park District. Now, as for the lawsuit, no court dates have been filed just yet in this case, but definitely an interesting one that we will continue to follow.
And we know you will, Regina.
Yep.
This has been the story that seems to keep on giving, I'll tell you. Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome to Burgundy Blue Commentary. I hope all is well with you and yours. Just a short video right here. Shout out to Regina Waldrop for bringing us that information. So you guys, they're fighting over where we're going to have the meeting. In my opinion, it won't even matter in a couple of months because we only have about 4 board meetings coming up before the election. So by the time it even goes to court, it really won't be an issue. I do think that this is important because it's still another lawsuit. And I know people like to say it's just one side, but we have about 4 to 5 to 6 lawyers, and don't forget we still owe Delgado Group, all fighting over everything. So you guys, it's been high hopes here on this channel. We all wish for the best and hope that the mayor and the trustees could get together and come on one accord, but it's just not going to happen. And I think the next step is just waiting for election season, just being patient, seeing what the outcome of that is, and hoping for the best. As for now, I'm just like Daenerys Targaryen.
Dracarys.
Like, where was Daenerys when you needed her? Now, my next video, we're going to go over the Open Meetings Act violations. I finally went through the 16-page document, and I want to show you guys from footage where it was violations on a lot of different ends. Even when it came to the mayor, the trustee board, and the violations from even the residents. So we'll be going through that. Now, my clear opinion is let's just have it at the Park District, you know, just because that's just do it. It's only a few months. However, if we want to go through the lawsuit, if she corrected it, it's been corrected technically. You see what I'm saying? However, I want to go over all the violations that has been happening on different hands, and even sometimes let me know if you remember in the comments below. We've seen pivotal moments in this situation where if the mayor had something on the agenda, we went ahead with the meeting even when the residents were locked out. If the trustees had some on the agenda and they wanted to stay, we went on with the meeting, even when residents were locked out. Let's really talk about it, how we were locked inside Village Hall. Like, it's no way that it should be one person to lock and unlock the door. Like, we can't act like we have not seen that. We did see the barricades. It's just so many things we have to talk about. And I want to know where you guys' memory lie. Put it in the comments below. I love to hear from you. As always, I'll be back. You make sure you take care of yourself and each other, and be kind to one another, you guys. Be kind to one another. Please. I appreciate you. Until next time. Bye.